Hi! Welcome to my first vlog and welcome to Mountain View by Asas. Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay na swak para sa iyong pamilya? Dito ka na sa Mountain View by Asas, located at Santo Niño, Butuan City along the National Highway and conveniently situated between two cities, Cabadbaran and Butuan. Tara't samahan niyo akong bisitahin ang two-story attached unit, ang Crest. Ang Crest ay dinisenyo na may high quality at matibay na pagkakagawa na magbibigay sa inyo ng maaliwalas na pakiramdam. Narito ang sala at ang dining area kung saan pwede kayong magbanding ng iyong pamilya, magkantahan, magkulitan at mag-asaran. Heto naman ang wide bathroom that will give you enough space for you that you want. Tara, punta naman tayo sa second floor kung saan bubungad kagad sa iyo ang isa pang wide bathroom that is very accessible and convenient. And this is the master's bedroom at makikita mo talaga through windows ang napaka-cozy at napakagandang tanawin, which is ang mountain. At dito naman ang second bedroom na perfect for kids with a beautiful view. Tara't balik naman tayo sa ground floor at tignang mabuti kung gaano kaganda ang bahay na mabibili mo para sa iyong pamilya. And look, there's more! Meron pa ding huge space sa likod ng bahay kung saan pwede ka magtayo ng dirty kitchen at laundry area. At kung ikaw naman ay mahilig maglaro, abay para talaga sa'yo to dahil may basketball court din dito. And we also offer our two-story detached unit, the Summit. For further information, please contact us at our Facebook page at Asas International Development Incorporated. Because Mountain View by Asas offers a rare chance to live amid such breathtaking beauty with only a few slots remaining. This is an exclusive opportunity you won't want to pass up. Reserve now and secure your place in the stunning community. Until next time!